Hey, how's it going, everybody? Derek Nelson here, Polaris Legacy Group. I want to talk about debt. So personal debt is approaching $25 trillion as I speak this. And I know what a huge problem it is just in people's lives. I work with it every day just about, and I've been there. So I totally understand the pain and agony it is, but sometimes what we don't realize is we're carrying too much mortgage debt, or we have student loans, credit cards, auto loans. So all this debt is just compounding. And I think what we're missing is what is this debt actually costing us? So it's like, yeah, okay, so I have an interest rate of 5%, but when you turn around and you're paying that 5%, month in and month out, and you're making these payments, what if that trend was reversed and you're actually earning 5%? So something may cost you. So maybe if you took a loan out on an auto vehicle, let's say, for example, and the total interest over the course of the loan was $6,000, the question is, if that was flipped and you were making those payments into an interest-bearing account, how much better off would you be down the road? And I think people, they want to eliminate their credit cards. I think there's some confusion as to the best way to go about it. So we tend to go haphazardly and inconsistently, and then we go back to making our minimum payments. And I think people, they get scared or anxiety from, what do I say? Like, we don't want to have to accelerate our debt and have to go on ramen noodles to do that. And you really don't have to. In fact, quite often, if you just organize something, you could pay it down without taking any additional money out of pocket. And this is what I do to help people. So it's really important to eliminate as much debt as possible and maximize those savings dollars. So when we do get to retirement, either by choice or by force, and what I mean by that is, sometimes we're forced into retirement. Sometimes people, they don't foresee it. For me, I'm 48. I don't plan on ever retiring personally. What would happen if at age 62, let's say, I suffered a stroke or something and I was unable to work? So that's being forced into retirement. And these things happen. So how are we prepared for that financially? It's a big deal. If you are constantly in debt and re-upping that debt, so you pay a car off, you just get a new car loan, or you pay the credit cards off, then you start all over with the credit cards. It's a huge problem, because what's going to happen is you're going to walk into those retirement years, whether you're working or not, and you're going to have a portion of your monthly income going to offset these expenses. And that can have a real dramatic effect on your financial peace of mind when you do get to retirement. So what I'd like to offer you is my services. I will create a roadmap for you, essentially, to eliminate all debt, including the mortgage, student loans, and anything that you feel, without altering your lifestyle, with maintaining full control of the dollars. And so we can actually maximize our savings and go on a plan that makes sense. In the meantime, I'd also like to extend an offer. I'd like to get you out a copy of my book. If you want to learn more about my philosophies and how to eliminate debt and maximize your savings, just shoot me a message with your email and snail mail address, and I'll drop one of these in the mail for you. So I hope this is helpful. I want to see everybody debt-free and truly wealthy, we like to call it. And I say truly wealthy because you don't have a bunch of money going out to pay for these obligations. And so if we can maximize the dollars we keep, maximize the dollars we save, we can really put ourselves on a path towards financial peace of mind, both now and in our retirement years. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.